Hey, what's up everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. I'm doing a cabin air filter on a 2010 Dodge Charger. It's real easy. You come to the passenger side and you could pop your hood, and there's this little door right here. You open it by pushing these two clips down. Go ahead and set this aside, and here's another door. You just pull it to flip it open, and there's the cabin filter. And we pull it out and set it aside. Go ahead and get yourself a new one. This brand is MicroGuard. Here's the part number 3064. I would match it up, make sure it's the right size and everything, and then we'll go ahead and put this back in it. Alright, and make sure you have the airflow arrow in the right direction. Alright, get it in there nice. Then go ahead and put this this second lid back on. Just clip it on. It should just clip on. You just push it back up, and then we'll go ahead and get our top air duct door back on. It should clip in. Make sure you line it up. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out.